back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday, 15th of December. Let's have a look at dollar yen, which has now dropped away. It's again another chart that continues to break trends all over the shop, and it's now sort of failed at that 113 big figure area. 112.87 was yesterday's high. 113 big figure. It's a bit of a pivot in the last sort of few weeks, turning lower, failing in the rebound to break back above it, so that's sort of put pressure back on the downside, and that pressure is sort of about 20 ticks down on the day. You look at these momentum indicators rolling over again, stochastics falling away, MACD lines ready to cross lower. It's sort of putting pressure, and looks like it's going to put pressure again on the 12 big figure level, which is basically where we saw the reaction low earlier on in December, and again last couple of days putting pressure on that level. Not breaking yet, but if it does break below 12 big figure, you're looking at sort of effectively a move back towards that pivot at 11 big figure. There's a slight low at 11.40, but 11 big figure would be sort of that key low that starts to, or key old medium term pivot, which would start to come back in as your sort of target area. So it's sort of dropping away again. Rallies are being sold into. You can see that on the hourly chart. In the last couple of days, you could actually well, it's not awful, but a bit of a downtrend going on as well. So just seeing that rallies are being sold into now. That support around 12.45 again becoming basis of resistance or overnight, and then above that 12.87. 1285, 1287 seems to be again another basis of resistance. So a couple of levels to work with on the upside, but certainly looks like it's going to be pressuring to the downside. Looking at the configuration of these momentum indicators, failing on the RSI around sort of mid 40s, MACD lines well below neutral. So yeah, it doesn't look great for the dollar near term against the yen. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.